Sabitini yarelo atuboros Ajore nyeza bui tupuru ipotolo ikech anuda rukoro Iturikana ngunulude jasa itadaki bareno kara moja abongorileja kwa pkecheno Kinya.
In April last year, we lost 5 of our people, 3 geologists and 2 staff, 2 UPDF officers. The Kenyan leaders returned 2 guns belonging to the soldiers who were killed. But the guns that killed our soldiers were not returned. And the culprits who killed our soldiers were not returned. So His Excellency President gave the directive that one, either the Kenyan government leaders, the Turkanas, agree to compensate the families of those people who died, or alternatively they return the 2 guns, they return the guns that killed our soldiers and the suspects who killed our soldiers. Now, to that extent, that has not been done. Now, the UPDF started evicting the Turkanas from areas they occupy as part of implementing the executive order.
Idala jotomano chalo na port otemu rupa nyeza port Iturikana luda gogo ngakwes opele kinatara gira nyoun osodeta lo makina doya na reikechi mudun ebete itukuria na Ajore abuda Ajore kama Akituku keche nedoleta kasa kanyango na ludiope osota limokini Iturikana lu ainyakuni mudun etosomaete kisanude itukuria na Ajore.
Now, during the eviction, the some of the Turkanas shot back at the UPDF who implemented the order. So the UPDF in turn confiscated over 85 cattle, and they demanded that the guns that were being used to shoot at the soldiers should be returned.
Apara ni Canada uniet apoti Iturikana inyakuti mudu ni yare ido ideona kwa nedo pe loda idari Ajore teterela chakina kesa Akituk.
Now out of those guns they have returned, today they returned 2 guns. Those that were used to attack our UPDF when they were implementing the order. But during the operation, they saw 3 guns being used. So the return of 2 guns leaves 1 gun out. Now when 1 gun is returned to make 3, then the cows, which are now over 90 because some people are produced, will be returned.
Guns are still in Nakut. Anytime they will be delivered to the division headquarters for onward action. The UPDF is mandated to protect the Ghana borders and monitor the entry of illegal guns into the country.
Ida ipuchu nyezde jabongu nuneto manakara moja anyone tegi Ajore ipotole luda rukoro Iturikana bongora kwa pkech.
We still have relative peace in North Karamoja. We are getting more guns voluntarily, except there are some few isolated cases of raids, like the one of Kotido, but our forces were able to track them, and they got these animals.
Decorated, designed, and embraced, and even kissed.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Moroto.